actually talked my dad into coming here and getting hired. The pay is good, the hours are guaranteed, you know, overtime almost as much as you can handle. The insurance, the rest of the benefits are really worth coming to CURT for. My name's Greg. I've been with CURT for 7 years, and my current position is the tube laser operator. My favorite part about working here at CURT is probably the ability to troubleshoot my own work area and have the freedom to fix any problems that arise. The quality that I can produce off of my machine directly impacts the safety and quality throughout the rest of the company. Our company has definitely grown throughout the years that I've been here. When I started, there was a first and second shift period. Then there was a weekend shift, and then there was a weekend second shift. I know that there's been at least over 1,000 people hired since I was hired. Anybody that comes here to CURT has the ability to move up. I know people that have started in powder, moved along to fab or weld, have done so very easily and freely. Advice I'd give to a new hire would be come to work every day, give it what you have. It will get seen. You will be noticed for doing what you're supposed to do. I feel I'm in a pretty good position where I'm at. I like where I'm at right now, and I'll be staying there as long as I'm allowed to.